Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Kegley. I'm with IPS Packaging Automation, and I'm here at the Greenville Convention Center. You can see right here over my shoulder, because inside is the South Carolina Manufacturers Conference and Expo. There's going to be training and events all day, but the cool thing is there's this enormous space. It's like 3 football fields long, filled with manufacturers from all across the Southeast, and they're here to inspire you, to cast their vision, and help you understand the manufacturing culture a little bit better. So let's go inside and see what we can find. I'm going to register. All right, so I found our booth. So let's come this way. We've got IPS and Pregis here. And it looks like Todd Meadows is here at the helm. Let's see what we're doing. Hey, Todd.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good. It's good to see you.
Good seeing you.
We're here. We're just seeing what's happening inside the Greenville Expo Center. Now, I've heard that this place is like 3 football fields long.
Yeah, you could say that.
Have you guys tested your 40 yet? Like just to see?
Oh, it's very slow.
That happens as we get older, right?
Right, yeah, absolutely.
Well, you're not here to test how fast you can run the 40.
Right.
Why are we here as IPS? We've got a cool booth here, lots of swag. What are we doing here?
So we're here to promote our business and then help our customers, find new business, new opportunities for discussions on cost savings initiatives and projects that we can help them achieve their goals. So working on packaging, working on custom lines, automation at the end of the line to help them develop and grow and meet the KPIs that they're trying to achieve.
Okay, have you seen a lot of people yet, or how many people do you expect will come by the table?
I think there's a little over 900 participants, people who are registered for the event. This morning has been a little bit slower, but they've had
we're just getting
breakfast.
going. We're kind of here
just
early.
Getting started.
Yeah, people are still eating their biscuits.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
You're eating a biscuit.
I was eating a biscuit. Yeah, absolutely. So they had a breakfast, and there's continuous education happen here too. So the registries they're going into the event and getting some continuous education credits for things that they need, and then when they come out, then that's their opportunity to have some good conversations.
Okay, and you're not here alone.
I am not. So I'm here with a key vendor of ours, someone that we work with and have worked with for many years. It's Pregis.
Pregis, yeah, I've heard of those guys.
That's right. Yeah, they're.
This is Tom, right?
This is Tom. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna slide over here.
Right.
Thanks, Todd.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yes, sir.
All right, hey, Tom. This is Tom Collins with Pregis, but I'm not going to put words in your mouth. Tom, can you tell us why you're here? Why you're with IPS here at this booth?
Sure. We're here to support IPS and promote our products and our abilities. It's a great partnership where we can bring our products and lean on IPS a little bit to help with everything else we don't do.
Okay. Do you know, are there other packaging people here at the expo?
There's a couple others. I did a loop around. I saw some competition out there.
Okay. Well, here's a big question. What's the differentiator? What, in your opinion, what would make someone come over here and say, "You guys"?
You know what? It's a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of service and capabilities that both Pregis and IPS can handle together. With our partnership. Our products are constantly being worked on to be superior to everybody else, but really it's got to be the two companies together kind of using our abilities to win business and hold on to business.
It sounds like relationships. That's a lot of behind the scenes.
Very much.
You work together and you're both striving to make a superior product.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Well, Tom, I appreciate your time. I'll let you get back. I don't want to steal you from your booth because people are walking by, but I am going to grab a stress ball. It could get stressful today because I got John on camera. Well, here I am with a guy named Ryan. Now, Ryan, who are you with?
I'm with SC Biz. We're the ones hosting this today.
Okay, so So basically, this is the brainchild of SC Business?
It
SC
is.
Biz?
It started by another company before that, but we took it over back in 2015 and kind of grew it into what it is today. They were just a conference. We decided that there was a lot of symmetry by having people do an exhibitor booth, an option to bring those people who want to get in front of these manufacturers that come for the manufacturing content that we have as far as the conference goes. So that was kind of the idea and how it evolved to what it is today. Like I said, it started out as a one-day conference for 2015, 16, and I think in 2017 is when we started to really take off in a two-day conference. We actually had one year where it was a three-day conference down in Charleston, but now we're kind of pretty much going to stay up here in Greenville just from what makes a lot of sense to a lot of our people up here. So
Just found the sweet spot, that two-day event here in Greenville.
yeah, 3 days stretched it out just a little bit too long for some of the exhibitors, harder for them to stay that long,
Yeah.
that kind of thing.
So Ryan, how do you know that it's been a successful conference? Because obviously there's a ton of people, there's a ton of people walking the floor,
Yep.
there's a ton of exhibitors. How do you know it was a successful event?
Well, we hear a lot from our exhibitors and our sponsors, to be honest. We rely on them for feedback. So every year we try to reach out to a couple key partners, get notes, get feedback on what they liked, what they didn't like, ways we can improve, and we try to implement those things.
Okay.
So, I mean, the whole point that we see as the host of the event is to bring large manufacturers, medium manufacturers here so that our exhibitors, sponsors have people to interact with. That's the whole point. We try to do that through the content we provide during the different sessions, and then that way, our exhibitors who are here to get in front of those people have the opportunity to do that.
Okay. And who's overseeing all of this? Is it
Our director, Rick Jenkins.
Rick Jenkins?
Yep, it's gonna.
That's him there with the cool socks.
It is, yes. Yes, no, this is definitely his baby. He took it over when it first started in 2015, and has just kind of grown into what it is today. So.
And we were trying to track Rick down, but he's a busy guy.
He is. He's probably prepping for the lunch episode or lunch session right now.
I know when you're the director of something, you don't have the luxury of just killing time in some back room,
No.
eating Krispy Kreme and sipping
No.
donut or
No.
sipping coffee.
Yeah, nope. I think he will eat and drink very little in these next 2 days.
Probably so. Well, Ryan, I appreciate your time.
Thank you so much for being here.
Sure, and good luck to you guys, and thanks for putting this on, and thanks for having us.
Sounds great.
All right.
Thank you for being here.
Well, there you have it, folks. We spent just a little bit of time here, but there's so much to see. We hope that you got a better understanding of what IPS has to offer, along with our partners at Pregis. And the conference is still going on today. It's Thursday, and it's going on tomorrow, Friday. So come out and check out this conference. Get educated. If you've got time, register online. Come out and see what's going on, so you can find out what's happening here in the Southeast in the world of manufacturing. We'll see you next time.